Find My iPad, how to use Find My iPhone/iPad app. The Find My app is a powerful tool for locating and managing your Apple devices. Here's how to use it on your iPad. 1. Enable Find My. Before your device is lost, ensure that Find My device is turned on. You can find the setting in Settings your name Find My. Also, enable precise location for the Find My app to see how far your devices are from you. 2. Locate your device. Open the Find My app on your iPad. Tap Devices at the bottom left corner. Select the name of the device you want to locate. If the device is online, its location appears on the map, and it plays a sound to help you find it. If the device is offline, you'll still see its last known location, but it won't play a sound. 3. Play a sound. To play a sound on your device, tap its name in the Find My app. If the device is online, a sound starts after a short delay and gradually increases in volume. If the device is offline, the sound plays the next time it connects to Wi-Fi or cellular. Remember to allow notifications for the Find My app to receive alerts when your device is located. For more troubleshooting steps, check the Apple support article, https://support.apple.com/guide/ipad/locate-a-device-ipad445ff3